Capturing timesheets on Smart ESS. Timesheets are designed for quick timesheet capture against clients, projects and tasks. It is web-based, which means you can access timesheets from anywhere, at any time. Clients, projects and tasks can be set up and linked together in the back end of the system. The rate and billable status can be set for automatic allocation with capturing. Notifications are sent via email to notify employees and managers of the status throughout the process. A history of all previous timesheets are kept for easy access. The next example will show how to capture timesheets for a week period, and also how to edit and delete entries before submission. Sign on using your username and password. Navigate to the Employee module, and click on Timesheets. Navigate to the Capture tab. We will explain the other tabs later on in the video. Select the week you want to capture timesheets for. From the drop-down menus you can select the client, project and task. Note that clients, tasks and projects are linked in the back end. Therefore, only projects linked to a certain client will show, and only tasks linked to certain projects will show. As an example, we will capture annual leave for Monday and Tuesday. Note that since these entries are the same, and against the same client, you can make one entry on both days and then save. Select the day you want to add to, and type the hours in the box. You can also add an additional description if you wish to. You can mark if the entry is billable or not. If a rate is linked in the back end, it will show automatically. Note that you have to save after each entry. Note that your entries will show on the bottom of the page, as you add them for each day. Now we can capture for the rest of the week. Again, choose your client, project and task from the drop-down menus. Now we click on Wednesday to add the hours. As the rate was already captured in the back end, note that the rate is displayed, and the billable box is automatically ticked. A contact person can also be added. You can also add expenses for each entry by clicking on Add, as shown. The expense will be displayed here. Remember to save. Your new entry for Wednesday will also show at the bottom along with the expense you captured. Now we can move on to Thursday. Again, start by selecting the client, project and task. Add the hours for the client. Again, note the billable tick, and the rate. You can add multiple entries for each day for different clients, as long as it all adds up to your hours for the day. Again, remember to save between entries. Note how the two entries for Thursday were captured, and how it is showing at the bottom. Now we can start adding our hours for Friday. Follow the same steps as with all previous entries. You can review all your entries for the week before you submit your timesheet. To edit a timesheet, simply click on that specific entry. You will see that the specific record will open. Click on the specific day and edit the field. Save when you are done. Want to see that again? Simply select the record you want to edit from the grid. All the details for that entry will show. Simply add or edit the required fields and save your entry again. You will see that we have captured too many hours for Friday by accident. To delete a record, simply click on the cross next to the specific record. Now we can quickly look at the other tabs. The Results tab will show a summary of all records, regardless of the status. Changes done to unsubmitted records will reflect here as they happen. Records can be viewed for any date range by choosing the date from the drop-down menu. The Submissions tab will show a summary of all timesheets submitted by everyone reporting to a manager. If no one reports to an individual, only his or her own record will show here with the submission status. You can also filter according to specific dates. The Status tab will show if the status of your timesheet is either new, granted, or declined. Now we are going to submit the timesheet by clicking on the Submit button. When you submit your timesheet, it will display under the Pending tab. Here you can see who it's been sent to for approval. Once submitted, you will receive an email. Your manager will also receive an email. We hope that you have found this clip useful. If you however need additional help, please do not hesitate to let us know.